Hello everybody, this is Conrad. We're right now looking outside my house at the fucking thunderstorm we got going on. It's pretty crazy. As you can see, I don't know if you can hear it, but it's pretty loud. Like this shit gets super crazy loud. Like redonkulous. And I want to record this because my little brother Sean says he loves thunderstorms. And I tried to explain to him how bad it is out here. It's pretty bad. I don't know if you can hear it, but the thunder part of the thunderstorm has not stopped. You can just constantly hear it. A little bit of lightning. Gotta love good old-fashioned Italy. Italia. Oop, almost dropped it. This is actually pretty quiet, pretty calm. It's probably because I took out the camera. Hope I don't get shocked though. That would suck. Huh. Just constantly rumbling. I just got out of my car, just got home. Got out of my car and it sounded like some cannons just went off, like, you know, like the old school on a pirate ship cannons. It was ridiculous. It was really loud. Actually scared me. I jumped. I'm man enough to say it. Hello. Seems to be dying down a little bit, which is nice. Oop, there you go. I'll try sleeping through one of these. It's not fun. It's really loud. This is a typical thunderstorm. Sounds like Godzilla's running around. Just constant. It sucks. It's pretty tame right now, though. Boom. Ooh, that was a good one. Let's see if I can get it next time. So yeah, Sean, these are our thunderstorms. They're not like back at home. These ones go on for like 10 minutes at a time, maybe. They're loud, obnoxious. There was a car alarm that went off earlier when that, ooh man. When that, the one that sounded like cannonballs going off, like, there was car alarms. That's constant. That always happens. This is like one of those horror movie thunderstorms. You get more bass from these than you do from my home stereo system. 5.1 surround sound. Oop. It's pretty crazy, eh? Well, I think you got a nice little preview. Alright. Goodbye.